We still dey here bringing you update of what is happening in Sűprémé Cóűrť in Abuja today. They say that Nøw Ohanaeze Youth Council, Adia Gidigbam, and other well-meaning Igbos and other Biafrans, all of them are there this morning in solidarity with Mazi Nnamdi and demand for unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi. No be smart, you know. They say Nigeria government and other people will be say they no want Nnamdi to become outside. As we dey talk now, they are actually shake for inside their seat as they sit down. But at the end of the day, they go leave Hamadike one of Ndi Igbo. Let's listen to this, our brother. My people, you are still in Balabas Gist. Make sure say they follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. We dey here they bring update back to back as they hot. Let's jump into this matter what we get for our hand today. We want to show you of how the look and wait our brothers where they for inside Abuja this morning they talk. May you watch this video from beginning to end and don't forget to share it. More other people see they get the update of waiting they happen. Remember, say information might be the key.
We are live and direct here in Abuja for the judgment on Mazi Nnamdi's case. As you can see, this is Mazi Benjamin making prayers. On arrival, we met heavy security presence here. Yes. Heavy security presence, so majority of us were not allowed to come in. It is very sad. It is very. Shalom, sir.
Okay. Hello, Tim. Good to see you.
Thank you. So, this is our brothers and sisters who have come from all walks of life to witness this occasion, but unfortunately they were not allowed entrance. This is Mazi Nøw Ohanaeze Youth Council. Ohanaeze Youth Council. Listen, I met him on ground here. He's live and direct with us here in solidarity. Mazi, do you have anything to say for being here today?
I think,
like, what did you meet on ground upon arrival?
you see, I don't think Nigeria is ready for democracy because they're supposed to allow people entrance to court premises, but they are still restricting good citizens of the country from having entrance into the court. It's very, very unfortunate. This is not democracy, this is pure anarchy. I have said it severally that the so-called mountain unity of Nigeria is a pure demonstration of an Igbo man. So, the Nigeria unity, what I understand about it is the victimization of an Igbo man. So the people that are holding and talking about Nigeria, their only agenda is to victimize an Igbo man, that's all. That is their mission for Nigeria unity.
And that is what has played out here today.
And that is what has been playing out since the time they illegally adopt or kidnap Mazi Nnamdi from Kenya against the process of extraordinary rendition. So it's very, very unfortunate. We are aware the issue of the case of Abakari. When American government demanded for him, the Attorney General Malami told them that they will follow due process to bring him to America. It's the same Malami under him, fraudulently against the Constitution, against the judiciary provision and process. They kidnapped Mazi Nnamdi in Kenya. So there is no best way, like I said, to describe the unity of Nigeria. It simply means the victimization of an Igbo man. That is the unity of Nigeria. And we are going to persist. We are going to resist every means of operation by the governmental institution of Nigeria we are going to reject it, and we are going to fight until we get justice.
Thank you very much.
Because without justice, there will be no room for peace in Nigeria.
Exactly.
For the advocate of peace in Nigeria, I want to send you people this message. You people must advocate for justice. That is the only way to guarantee peace in Nigeria. Without justice, you cannot get peace in this country.
Thank you.
Thank you, Comrade Iboaeka is my name. National President of Ohanaeze Youth Council.
It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. It's a pleasure meeting you, sir. Thank you, sir. So that was Mazi Iboaeka. Like I said earlier, we're on ground here. There is heavy security presence here, beefed up like never seen before. So apparently they have disallowed members, genuine peaceful observers who have come to witness this court case today. They have denied them access into the courtroom, but we are on standby. Mazi Benjamin Madubu is equally, as you can see, he's addressing some persons. So very soon we will know the best way forward. So I admonish all to stay tuned while we continue to give you updates live from Abuja Supreme Court. I am Ezeburo Denaka reporting for Uncőnd Writers. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, please. Stay tuned.
Okay, my wonderful people, we dey here gidigbam, they bring am as it dey hot, they give you. The information what would they get this morning? They say the former governor of Anambra State, I said the man don't buy you, no be smart, you know. We want look into the matter, mu bring the name of this governor who don't buy for inside Anambra State. They say na him be the former governor of Anambra State. I say that man we be say according to the Biafran, some Biafran people we would they hear their update about this man. They say na him be Ezife. Ezife is the man don't go join our grandpapa them. Na him be the former governor of Anambra State. So my people, now so we be. They say that as it happen for court this morning, they say the kind security if they carry put for everywhere, they guide the area, they watch wetin dey happen, but no wahala, we still dey here, they bring you update as it dey hot. Yeah, my people, we will share this video and wait for the next update we want bring come for you today. Okay, my people, we'll quickly see you for the next update as it dey hot.